Hey y'all, it's me, Mika aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back. I'm back. Anyways, I'm back with another haul, and this haul is from Missguided. You guys, as always, links will be below in the description box. So if you see something you like, treat yourself. I feel like it has been a long time since I've spent my coin at Missguided, so that is what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to be showing you some new in at Missguided. If you are a size 16, want to see how they would fit on you, I got you. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and also thumbs this video up if you like hauls. I think that's all y'all want from me, really. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the first piece I tried on was the wrap blazer play suit, and this piece, honey, everything. It's kind of like a linen material, so it's really thin, yet it's not see-through. It's comfortable, it's stylish. I love that it's red. I'm glad that I didn't go for my normal like black and gray color scheme that I normally go for, but this worked. This is so cute for this time of year. It's short, so that's nice. It's not like pants. You know, we're kind of in that transitional like autumn winter phase, and this is good for right now. It's not going to be too cold. It's okay to have your legs out. You know what I'm saying? I love that it has a little blazer feel. I also like the belt that's included. It has a little zip up and then an extra button at the top, so you're definitely secure in this. Again, it's super comfortable. It's nice. This is probably one of my favorite pieces from the haul today, so we're off on a good foot. I keep seeing these midi long dresses everywhere, and I don't know if it's because I'm too short or if it's because maybe I just don't, maybe I'm just not getting the right size. I don't know. Anyways, this is a strappy midi dress in black. Oh, all my sizes are size UK 16, just so you guys know. Everything will be below in the description box, but just so y'all know. So anyways, this felt super big. Like, it didn't fit, like the straps would fall off my shoulders. It was really big in the waist area. It was long. Like, when I think of midi, I think of maybe like to my calf, and this is definitely like a low ankle. So I paired the next two pieces together, and it is this super stretchy denim skirt for all my girls that have hips and thighs and butt. This skirt is for you. They have it in like khaki, red, blue, black, all the colors that you would need it in. It's perfect. It fits perfect. It hugs you in the right way. It doesn't gap in the back. It just fits so good. I got mine true to size, my 16, and it fits like it normally does all the time, and I really feeling it. Next, I went ahead and paired it with this really like, I want to say wintry, but I don't mean wintry, like fallish top. Again, my two favorite colors, black and gray, so I paired this together. It's kind of like a high neck, but not really. It's comfortable. It doesn't come too high, and then the sleeves are kind of like loose and flowy. They're really nice. Again, low cost, quality material. This is some good thick sweater weather material. Loving it. Love the color. I went ahead and tucked mine in a little bit in the front, even though it kind of comes like mid-waist. I think this would look really good with some jeans, maybe some leggings. You can style it in different ways. It's really cute. I feel like I got loads of dresses and play suits this time around. I don't know why, but anyways, I saw this dress on the model and I thought, it looks really good on her. Will it look good on me? Sometimes I think because I am a little bit curvier, things can get misconstrued from how they look on the model on the website, but this was hitting it. I really like this dress. This dress is called the waist tie t-shirt dress. The material is so nice. You know how you look at something and you're like, I don't want to rip this when I get into it. Is there a zipper? Like, how do I get into it? Because it looked like it was that kind of material, but it's got some stretch to it. This is a really nice material. I love it. It's a little shift dress t-shirt, and then it has the tie to accentuate your waist, which is really cute. Sometimes you can get lost in a t-shirt dress when you're on the curvier side. When you have a little tie to cinch you in at the waist, it kind of just gives your whole shape figure, and it works. I love that the stripes are vertical and not horizontal, which again, it works for me. This is just a really cute dress. I can imagine dressing this up or down. I would definitely wear this with sneakers, but that's just me. It's whatever y'all want to do for you. But yeah, I really like how this fits. I like how it feels. Again, the price, Missguided. Missguided has restored my faith in online shopping. Okay, so I have been seeing snake print everywhere, and I have been very, very, very reluctant to try out some snake print because I just don't think that it'll look good on me. But maybe I was wrong. So I have next this play suit again, and it is called the snake print wrap over bodysuit. Now, a little thing that's a little strange about this is I got it from the tall section, and I am not tall at all, but it is still short. So if you're short, maybe you want to get it from the tall section too. I can't imagine if you was tall. I don't know, might be short. Anyways, this playsuit is really cute. It has shorts, it has a zipper feature on the side, so you are all the way in there, and then the wrap detail feature, which I really like. Anything that can accentuate at the waist and accentuate your curves is everything to me. I did feel like it was a lot of cleavage, and that's okay for some. I mean, I don't know. It was alright. It was alright. But it was a lot of cleavage in there, but it's still a really cute set. Fits nice, it's loose, it's airy. This is probably my second favorite from this haul. Maybe third, because I did like that previous dress. Okay, don't want to get sidetracked. Anyways, yes, that is that one. And again, fits really nice, good quality, all of that. And then the last thing I got today, I mean, you know what I was saying about how I look good online? Anyways, this dress is still really cute. Do not get me wrong, super cute. It just didn't flatter my figure. I think that this is another tie dress, but this tie was a little different from the other one. Let's see. No, it's not. Tie waist t-shirt dress. I don't know. Maybe it was the pattern. Sorry, I don't know, maybe it's the material. This was like a silky material and really stretchy. I figure this is like a good winter, put on with some black tights and boots and, you know, do the thing. It is really cute, but it's just not, I don't know, I just didn't think it was that flattering on me. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. So that's it for my little Missguided haul for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.